thanked all of you guys for coming out and supporting this effort. This is the first of another, there's a couple efforts that we're trying to get into place, such as North Carolina and South Carolina. We'll be in Georgia November 1st to help those people up that way. We love all you guys and women so much. It breaks our heart, honestly, it really does. We're getting too good at putting these things together, and that's the sad part about it.
We just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone that's been involved with Florida State Beekeepers, getting boots on the ground, an organization, and allowing us and others to help serve beekeepers. We've got between Mann Lake, Greater Good Charities, and Barkman Honey, we were able to put nearly 50,000 pounds of dry pollen substitute on the ground to help affected beekeepers in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina. Greater Good Charities put 15,000 pounds of dry sugar in North Carolina to help. Trevor Towser, Honeybee Genetics, donated thousands of queens to commercial beekeepers to help get them back on their feet. Cargill donated 10 tanker loads of syrup across multiple locations, and with the help of HR Ewell and their transportation and donating their tankers and their drivers' time, we were able to put all of this together.
But us coming together, that's what today is really about. It's just coming together, getting away from everything, and just figuring out how we're gonna put it back together.
We understand the responsibility we have in our position in the industry. We understand we would never be able to do any of the things that we're doing without the help and support of our customers, and it's our honor and pleasure to give back to people in times of need. We couldn't be happier.
All of this could not even be possible without the tremendous work that Greater Good Charities does and Brenna Donnelly, and I want to give her a big round of applause. This is a total group effort from the industry, and we're just really honored that you guys allow Mann Lake to be a part of it. The most important person putting this whole thing together that we all owe the biggest round of applause to is Josh. They were covered in syrup, running out late last night, filling up propane tanks because the propane delivery wouldn't come in. Tony Chida's running up, trying to help us get totes. We're trying to, total group effort, trying to make this whole thing come together.
Thank you to all of our customers who purchased Ultra Bee Dry during our match week, which allowed us to put out even more donations. Thank you all for your help. Could never do it without you. Thank you all for all the people who also donate to the Greater Good and help fund this effort. There's a lot of people that are involved in a project like this. Stay tuned for more events, and thank you everyone for your support.
And we'll let Brenna say a couple words.
We just wanted to say thank you guys for all coming, and we're super sorry about everything that you guys had to face. I can't believe 2 back-to-back and crazy year. Hopefully we never have to do this again and meet under these circumstances, but we're definitely committed to doing this every time you guys are impacted like this. Every year our sponsors get a little bit more generous, and so hopefully we can keep this going. Any of you with contacts with the sugar guys or with ADM, or, let us know. We can certainly go chase them down. Just thank you so much for everything you do, and really good luck with everything that you're going through. Okay?
Thank you.
We are going to start distributions in the next 10 to 15 minutes. There's plenty of things. Please do not all flood. It doesn't matter what time you came here. We're gonna do the same way we did 2 years ago. The drive-through, drive up, we'll load you up. You can either park, come back in, hang out longer if you want, or you could head on your way. Whatever makes most sense for you guys. And the honeybee plate. Okay, let's get that as well. We need to get this through. I don't know how else to say this. Billy Fussell brought it up at the state meeting that you can buy tags for other people. It does not just have to be for your own personal vehicle. So you could buy tags for your grandkids, your neighbors. As long as you have the tag, the DMV, we still have to get this through. This has been very successful in Georgia, and their association has seen the rewards from getting something like this through the legislature. So please, if you haven't done it already, pick up the form, figure out how we can get this plate through. We gotta buy some more plates and get them on our vehicles so we can continue to help Florida beekeepers. That's it, we're good. All right.